Hey friends, who's hungry? Classic Southern Green Tomato Chow Chow is more than just a relish. It's a tangy, slightly sweet, crunchy bite that livens up everything from hamburgers to hot dogs. In a large mixing bowl, measure 5 cups of finely chopped green tomatoes, 2.5 cups of finely chopped cabbage, 1 cup of finely diced onions, 1 diced green bell pepper, and 1 diced red bell pepper. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of kosher salt over the top. This is going to help draw out some of the liquid from the vegetables. Mix well, cover the bowl, and refrigerate the vegetables overnight. The next day, drain the mixture and rinse the vegetables lightly with cool water. Then press out any excess liquid and set the vegetables aside. In a large pot, combine 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1.5 teaspoons of celery seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1.5 cups of apple cider vinegar. Bring the mixture to a boil and stir constantly to dissolve the sugar. Add the drained vegetables to the pot and simmer for 45 to 60 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Season the chow chow with salt and pepper to your preference. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.